This is to help you create your graph, your double graph, using the results of your digestive system. So on the left side, you already see that there is a graph, a double bar graph that Mrs. Howell already created. So that's the example that I want you to end up with. So that's on the left side. On the right side, you're going to create your own double bar graph using the results from your digestive system, your 3 designs. So let's create our table first, similar to what Mrs. Howell has on top of her double bar graph. So you're going to write in your design, the words design, the words water absorbed, and the words calories absorbed, because that's what we are looking for. That was what the task was to design digestive systems that would absorb the most water and calories. So you did that for your criteria B summative. Now you're going to present your results. So after running your gizmo for your first, second, and third designs, you should have gotten results. So looking at the gizmo, what were the results of your designs? So you would type in the number of the water absorbed and the calories absorbed. For some of you, you would probably have like a 0, 0, and then probably your design 2 would have like 27% water absorbed, maybe 32% calories absorbed. Design 3 would probably be 54%, maybe 34%. Whatever the number is, don't be concerned that it's all 0, because it shows that your digestive system design did not work, and that's okay. The main thing here is, even if all of your numbers are 0, that's still okay. Report it anyway. Always be true to your data. So after creating your table, what you need to do to be able to create your double bar graph is to click on the first cell, which is design, and drag it. Click on one, keep clicking, and then drag it so that it chooses all of the cells of your table from your design, water absorbed, calories, titles, and all the numbers that you put in. Once it's all chosen or highlighted or selected, that's the word, or selected. Once you've selected all of the cells, go to the toolbar and look for the one where it says Insert Chart, and then click on that. And here is your double bar graph. So what you can do is you click on that, and then you can keep clicking. You can move it to go underneath your table. Okay, and this is good. This is good. The only thing that's missing here is your y-axis label. So you have your title. Your title looks good. Water absorbed and calories absorbed. You've got your legend. It shows that your blue is your water absorbed and your red is your calories absorbed. That's good. You have a legend. You also have a label for your x-axis. This means design. So this is your design 1, 2, and 3. That's good. And then you've got your numbers here, 0, 20, 40, 60, but it doesn't have a label. So you need a label for your y-axis. To do that, you go to Customize, and then you go to Chart and Axis Titles. So your horizontal axis title is already designed, that's okay. You go to your vertical axis title, which is blank, and type in there percentage, right? Because that's the percent that these numbers mean. All right? So that in itself is okay now, but if you still want to customize it, and you lose your tools on the right side, go to the 3 ellipses on your double bar graph, click on that, and click on Edit Chart. And then you can go to Customize, and you can go to Chart Style, and you can choose a different background color to make it pop. You can choose a border color. You can do a theme default. You can change the text that you're using. So however you'd want to present your information to make sure that you are able to communicate and present your results clearly and share it to Mrs. Howell so that it's clear of what you did. All right, so that's what you need to do for today. This assignment is due at 2:30 p.m. today.